Hey guys, so I had to show you something. I'm going back over to the indicators that I've coded, and I hardly ever did any videos on the Martin Island sunset. This was actually one of the hardest indicators to code, and I didn't even do that many videos on it. So, I want to use inspiration. I want to use this video to inspire the new indicators we're about to come out with. The new indicators are going to be showing you guys different trading strategies. That is going to be hopefully, some on the scalping, lower time frames, entries and exits, profit points, stop losses, all that. But I just want to actually show you guys the Martin Island sunset and how stinking ridiculously profitable it actually was. And comparing this to the Martin Trend Trader, it actually almost outperformed it. It actually did outperform it in some areas, especially in the choppy sideways action down here, where it was just straight gains instead of getting in and out. So I wanted to actually show you guys this. I'll link this in the description, but I'm going to show you guys this and as well as the drop coming in the rise coming indicators. These are older indicators we have, but like I mentioned to you guys before we transferred over, these indicators still really work. This is what I pulled. I pulled the last 83 days, and I could have gone further. There's winning trades all the way through here that I could have pulled, but I just wanted to show you guys the last 83 days. It was a snapshot I took. This is a 70% win rate in the last 83 days, and this is a total of 523 pips gained with the wins all in blue and then the losses in red. And so that is all that you're doing with this indicator. I just want to show you guys, and I'll link it in the description so you guys can go see it, but this is all you're doing. You're buying when the land comes above the sunset. So here's how it worked. I was like, I want an indicator that we can visually understand. We have water, we have land, we have a sunset. It's called the Martin Island sunset because you get all these islands popping out of the water, and this is where you guys can take profit. There's also flagpoles at the top of the peaks of the prices before the price drops. Take a look at this. Flagpole, price drop. Flagpoles, price drop. Flagpole, price drop. Take a look over here. Perfect flagpole at the top of the island. Price drop there too. Looking to possibly get one over here. But I want to show you guys this. Like, take a look at it. From entry to exit. So we have an entry down here because it came above the water. It's very close. Either I picked this just to show you guys, but I'd be curious to see if the alert went off, so I just want to stay conservative on here. An entry when the price came above the water, which is an alert you guys can set up, and then an exit you can have when the land crosses below the sunset. All that's on the link in the description, you guys can see that. But that's just a simple in and out right there. Again, you're going to buy in when you're above the sunset, and you're going to close at sunset. Buy above sunset, close at sunset. And this is what you guys can do over and over. Guys, it's so stinking simple visually. It's like, okay, we're going to buy when the land's above the water, and we're going to sell at sunset. Buy above the water, sell at sunset. Buy at sunset, sell at sunset. Those are the two options. And then you guys also get multiple options to exit at the peaks here with the red flagpoles at the top of the prices. So I was actually just kind of blown away. And I'm actually going to try to do a few more trades with this here because it's like, gosh, a 70% win rate in the last 83 days is actually not bad at all. Very good, actually. And then I just want to come on here and show you guys. So that's called a Martin Island sunset. And then for those of you guys who know this, this is the rise coming and the drop coming signals. Haven't actually done too many videos on this recently, but I want to show you guys. And let's see, why are we not coming up here? Come on, where are you? There you are. So this is simply calling rises and drops before they happen. Let me go to the beginning here. This is going to be all throughout the chart, so it's going to be everywhere. But let me just show you this. Rise coming. Now let me make this really clear. This doesn't mean a rise is going to happen right away. It means a rise is coming. Clear, rise coming. This absolutely rose back up here. Drop coming. How about that drop right there? This is a huge drop of, 43 pips. That's a pretty good drop. Drop coming here. Right after we got all these drop comings, we saw a dip down here from the top. Drop down here about 58. Drop coming here. Drop down here about 34. And then you saw this big dip here. Rise coming. You saw a rise up here. Rise coming, you saw a rise here. You're seeing a rise coming here. We have a rise up to this top peak here of 34. You have another rise on this candle up to the top peak of 39. Another rise coming here up to the top peak here of about 20 pips, just quickly getting in and out. Take a look at this, right on the red candle, not the green candle, the red candle. In, and then you're out, rose up, total of 58 pips. Again, right here on the red candle. Ride it up for just a few pips, guys. You don't need much. Like, 231 movements with a 50-cent lot is $115. Like, that's pretty good. Rise coming here. Take a look at this rise coming. Got all the way up here. If you want to pull it all the way up here, you can. But conservatively, shot up 63 pips right after that rise coming, drop coming on the green bar, not the red bar, but on the green. Just get in here and ride this down to, gosh, I don't know, 60 pips or so. There was no reversal here. Rise coming as well, coming up here with another 40 pips here. Let's see what it looks like here. Definitely rise coming, heads up, get ready. Looking at support, coming down here, shot up here for about 67 pips. And there you go, guys. Those are three indicators that I feel like I haven't done them justice enough, because they're such easy indicators to have on you guys' chart. And what I want to start doing with these new indicators is, like, some of you guys might already have a strategy that you're like, okay, I have a strategy. All I need is just a little bit of extra confirmation. I need to know when the price is about to drop or when the price is about to rise. Okay, perfect. Get the rise coming and the drop coming indicators and get them on your chart. You guys can even come in here and custom code this in here so you guys can adjust the aggressiveness of this. If you guys want to be really aggressive on here, like really aggressive, go with a 60 and you can get a ton. But I would suggest leaving at the default values, or you guys can even go to like 68. 68 is probably not too bad. Call the drop there, call the drop there, call the drop there, call the drop there, and call the drop here. So there's more drops. Actually, called this drop here as well. So leaving it at, I don't know, let's go 75. That's cool. 75. Called that drop, called that drop, called that drop, and called this quick drop right here. Let's go back and I'll show you guys more. Called this drop here. Obviously the rises, and then the drops over here, a little more aggressive. But this is just something else you guys can have in your chart. Drop here, drop there. We saw a drop after that. We saw a drop coming here after this. We saw a fast drop down here after those. Another drop here, another drop here, a huge drop right there after you got it right at the peak prices. A rise coming right at the lowest price, another drop here. So I just want to show you guys that if you guys are looking for extra confirmation for just, when am I expecting the price to rise? When am I expecting the price to drop? That is what the rise and the drop indicators are for. And so if you guys feel like that would add value, I want to just start showing you guys these other indicators we have, because we're about to come out with about 5 or 6 new indicators to help you guys trade better. And I just want to make a point, because some of you guys out there, you already have a strategy that's working well. And you, like I said, you guys might be like, I just need a rise and a drop coming indicator that I can adjust to the specific ticker I'm using to tell me if a drop is on the way or if a rise coming is on the way. You guys will put it on your chart and you'll make an agreement with me. You will say this. I'm not going to hold you to it that a drop is coming immediately, but I know that a drop is on the way. This gets you prepared emotionally. A drop is on the way. Drop, drop. A rise is on the way. Rise. Look at this. This is a drop. It's a drop. This is a rise. This is a drop. This is a rise. This is a drop. This is a rise, this is a rise, this is a rise, this is a rise, that's a drop. Like, it is very accurate, and you guys can dial it in with the settings here as well. So anyway, just want to come out with that video. I think it's pretty awesome. I'm going to start incorporating some of these older indicators into the new strategies just because they are very good, and that's why I wanted to just basically show you guys, and then just leave you guys with the Island Sunset. Use them both together, and you kind of got a crazy good strategy there. And these come with alerts. The drop coming and rise coming don't come with alerts. Working on an upgrade for that, but then the Martin Island Sunset does come with alerts for when the water breaks. I'm sorry, when the land breaks above the water, and then also when it crosses below the sunset for buys and sells, and when the land comes above the sunset and then close at sunset as well. Comes with alerts. So there you guys go. I'll link all these 3 in the description, but thought I'd just come out with a video and showing you guys this. 70% win rate is pretty dang good. Open live position, you're up 41.9 pips. So have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Links to all the indicators in the description. Alrighty, bye-bye.